Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload files to your Bluehost hosting. And basically maybe you want to upload a website which you have in a zip file. So to do this you will need to access cPanel. So you're going to click on websites. Now you're going to click on settings right here, and now you're gonna find it here and click on advanced. And now you're gonna go ahead and access the cPanel right there, or you can also go directly to the file manager. So this is also real convenient that you can access it like so. Still, it's a cPanel, but you're gonna access this file manager. Now, here you can actually go ahead and, for example, create a new folder. So let's name a new folder, new website, and create a new folder. Now you're going to open it up, and as you can see, it's empty. And now you want to click upload and upload a file right there. You can also extract a file right here. If you upload it like as a file, you can extract it here on File Manager. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.